Hey everyone, today's class is a standing mobility flow, but we'll be doing a very special sequence known as the golden seed. So this was devised by Paul Grilley, and it's a brilliant way to work on your mobility and flexibility in the whole body. So in this sequence, we will be moving through a lot of different movements of the body. There will be some forward folding. So if you find it challenging to come all the way to the floor, remember, you can always have a yoga block or a book or even the seat of a chair in front of you to place your hands on. The feet do not have to stay in one place, so you can move them around. Don't keep them static and just go with it. See how you get on, or start by just standing, feet underneath the hips, shoulders back and down, palms facing forward, chin parallel to the earth, crown to the sky, closing the eyes, breathing here, centering in, letting go of anything that's happened this morning or earlier today, and anything that's coming later. Just enjoying this moment here on your mat or in your garden, wherever you are, breathing, observing the body, observing your energy level, observing the breath, and then slowly open the eyes. Stand with the feet just a little bit wider than hip distance apart. I like to have a little bit of bounce in my knees. On an inhale, palms come up to the sky. As you exhale, cross the hands in front of the chest, knees and feet come out into horse, and imagine that you're pushing energy away from the body, sitting deep into these thighs. On an inhale, palms come up, and exhale, coming forward into what is known as elephant. So it's a wide-legged forward fold. From here, place the right hand underneath the chest. Rotate on the right heel if that's okay, lifting the left arm up to the sky. Exhale, come down, other side, left hand plants. Maybe rotate on the left heel. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, drag the energy up from the earth. Imagine you're holding it in your hands. As the palms come to the chest, rotate them up to the sky. This is known as heaven and earth. Then exhale, feet facing forward. Come into another forward fold. This one is known as drinking bird. So the head is coming towards the earth and the arms are in a V behind. Inhale, bend the knees and come up into rocking horse. So the chest comes up and the arms to the sky. Knees are bent, sitting into these thighs. Exhale, back to drinking bird. Then inhale, bending the knees slightly, gathering up this energy from the earth. It comes all the way back up to the chest, rotating the palms, and then back to the belly. So that is one round of the golden seed. Let's continue. On an inhale, arms come up to the sky. Exhale, horse pose, pushing out the energy. Inhale, come up. Exhale, elephant. Right hand plants, left hand to the sky, maybe rotating on the right heel. Elephant. Left hand plants, right arm to the sky, maybe rotating on that left heel. Back to elephant. Bending the knees, gathering up the energy, rotating the palms at the chest. Heaven and earth. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, gather the energy up, all the way back up to the sky. Palms to the belly. Again, inhale, palms lift. Exhale, horse. Inhale, straighten, elephant. Right palm plants, left arm to the sky. Maybe right toes lift, elephant. Inhale, right arm up, left hand down, elephant. Scooping the energy up for heaven and earth. Exhale, folding into drinking bird, coming up into rocking horse, back to drinking bird, gathering the energy up from the earth all the way to the sky, and then back to the belly. Again, inhale, palms lift, exhale, horse, straighten the legs, elephant, right hand plants, left arm up to the sky, back to elephant, left hand plants, right arm to the sky, elephant. Inhale, gather the energy up, heaven and earth. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, heaven and earth. Back to the belly. Inhale, palms lift. Exhale, horse. Inhale, straighten. Come forward into elephant. Right hand plants, left arm lifts. Back down. Left hand plants, right arm lifts. Back down. Inhale, heaven and earth. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, heaven and earth. Exhale, back to the belly. Again, inhale lift. Exhale, horse. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, elephant. Right hand plants, left arm to the sky. Back to elephant. Left hand plants, right arm to the sky. To elephant. Inhale, come up, heaven and earth. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, heaven and earth. Exhale, back to the belly. One more time. Inhale, palms lift. Exhale, horse. Inhale, straighten. Exhale into elephant. Right palm lifts. Left hand to the sky. Exhale, come back to elephant. Left palm plants, right arm to the sky. To elephant. Inhale up, heaven and earth. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, gather the energy up, heaven and earth. Back to the belly, close the eyes, bring the feet underneath the hips. Just stand here with the hands just flowing in front of the belly for a moment. Eyes are closed. Notice how the energy feels in your body. I feel really energized. Maybe allow the breath to come back to normal. You may feel a slightly elevated heartbeat, deeper breathing. And then when you're ready, slowly open the eyes. So that was the golden seed. It's a great sequence to do anytime you feel a bit stagnated and you want to get yourself going. Hope you enjoyed this little class, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.